So when I say make bread from scratch, I think people think like it's gonna take hours. It's gonna take years. And the reality is you can bust out a dough in the blink of an eye. All you gotta do is start with a cup of all-purpose flour and then 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a big pinch of salt, and about a cup of milk. And just kind of work it in. A little bit of honey. Good amount of olive oil too. You can eat cereal, you can make dough from scratch. It's gonna get so hard to mix this that you're gonna have to move to your God-given tools, your hands. And so you just wanna knead it for about, I would say 3 to 5 minutes. This is perfect. Let it rest for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna break down the goat cheese with a fork. Just add a little bit of milk and just kind of keep going. It's almost like a yogurt. Whipped goat cheese. This is how we make the bucks in the restaurant business is we add a little milk and we're like, pay me $400 for it. And people do. Beautiful. Look at that. So now we're gonna grill the bread. Add a little bit of flour to the table. Don't worry about any flatbread or pizza being round. So I'm just using the side of a bottle. This makes the best rolling pin in the world. It's starting to stick a little bit, so a little bit more flour. Good amount of olive oil, good glugs, all the way to the sides. Lots of salt right on the grill. More olive oil to the other side. Salt. I'm out of breath from that, baby. That's my workout for the week. Next, I'm gonna make a salad. I've got some really good kind of peppery arugula, which is shaved zucchini, prosciutto. Rip into big pieces and let that kind of fall through. 1, 2, 3. Grab a little bit of cheese, a little bit of olive oil, white wine vinegar, and just with your hands, be light. So salad's good to go. Ah, look at that. On the board we go. So I'm gonna take that kind of goat cheese all over. Grab a little bit of that salad right over the top. Chili on here. You don't need it, but I like spicy. Give it a little drizzle of olive oil. This is a flatbread from scratch. Happy summer. Whip it up. Get scrappy. See you next time. For more recipes, head to joelgamoran.com.